when loans are onboarded, they're entered into the system. The system calculates interest, any applicable late fees. It accounts for payments when payments are processed and takes deductions from the principal balance and or interest accordingly.
Thank you. Ms. Marisco, are you familiar with and did you review Valley National Bancorp's complaint against P3 Properties and Berry Neighbors?
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Did you review the loan documents attached to that complaint?
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Do you also, Ms. Marisco, have a copy of Valley National Bancorp's notice of filing exhibits?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm going to refer to that, Ms. Marisco, the notice of filing exhibits and its attachments by the exhibit titles. So if you could please access that document and take a look at Exhibit A, please.
Yes, I have Exhibit A in front of me.
Do you recognize that document?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
What is it?
It is a copy of the commercial promissory note executed by P3 Properties with Alliant Bank predecessor interest to Valley National Bank.
What is the original principal amount of the note?
The original principal loan amount was $100,000.
Did P3 Properties default under the note?
Yes,
Yes,
it did.
How did they default?
P3 Properties defaulted by failing to make the required payment when due.
What is the current unpaid balance under the note through today, June 18th, 2020?
The current unpaid balance is $131,633.20, and it breaks down as follows. Principal, $90,967.26. Interest, $40,245.50. Late charges, $407.81, for a total of $131,633.20.
Thank you. Let's move on to Exhibit B. I'm just going to ask you the same questions. Do you recognize this document?
I do.
I do.
Can you tell us what it is?
Exhibit B is a copy of the commercial promissory note dated October 30th, 2008, executed by P3 Properties LLC as the borrower and Alliant Bank, the predecessor interest to Valley National Bank.
Did P3 Properties default under this promissory note?
Yes, it
Yes,
did.
it did.
Did it default by failing to make payments?
Yes, P3 Properties defaulted by failing to make the required payment when due.
Could you tell us the unpaid balance under the note through today's date, please?
The current total is $52,623. And that consists of unpaid principal of $31,955 and
excuse me, and the principal consists of $31,955.37. Interest of
$20,514.86. I left in per diem interest of $5.77, including today, for a total of $52,623.
Thank you, Ms. Marisco. And one question I neglected to ask when we reviewed the first exhibit, Exhibit A, but I think it's going to be applicable to all of these notes, is can you just briefly tell us how you're arriving at these numbers? That is, are you using business records or a system that generates these balances? Can you tell us about that?
Yes, I obtained these balances from the Zeus Miser system, which is a system I referred to earlier, which is our electronic record-keeping system of for loans that calculates interest, due and owing, keeps track of the principal balance, etc.
Thank you. Let's briefly move to Exhibit C, please.
Yes.
Yes.
Do you recognize this document?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Could you tell us what it is, please?
Yes.
Yes,
Exhibit
exhibit-
C is the commercial promissory note between P3 Properties and Alliant Bank, the predecessor in interest to Valley National Bank. It's dated October 30th, 2008.
Did P3 Properties default on this note?
Yes, P3 Properties defaulted on this note by failing to make the required payment when due.
Will you please tell us the current unpaid balance through today's date?
The current unpaid balance is $67,038.87, consisting of principal in the amount of $40,954.66, interest of $25,920.50, late charges of $156.32, and the additional per diem interest for today, which is $7.39.
Thank you. We'll move to the last one here. Can you please turn to Exhibit D?
Yes.
Yes.
Can you tell us what this document is, please?
Exhibit D is the commercial promissory note executed by P3 Properties LLC as borrower and Alliant Bank, predecessor in interest to Valley National Bank, and it's dated October 30th, 2008.
Did P3 Properties default under this note?
Yes.
Yes.
P3 Properties defaulted by failing to make the required payment when due.
What is the unpaid balance under the note through today's date, please?
The total due through today is $13,701.21, consisting of principal of $8,585.59, interest of $5,044.07, late charges of $70, and the per diem interest for today of $1.55.
Thank you, Ms. Marisco. Can you tell us what the total unpaid balance is under all four of those notes?
Yes, the total unpaid balance, including principal, interest, and late charges, is $264,966.28.
And then finally, Ms. Marisco, can you please look at Exhibit E?
Sure.
Do you recognize that document?
Yes.
Yes.
Can you tell us what that is?
This document consists of the commercial loan guarantees executed by the guarantor, Barry L. Neighbors, one of which secures all present and future debt to the bank, and the other, which is specific to loan number 2744.
Lastly, Ms. Marisco, does Valley National Bancorp own the notes marked as Exhibits A through D?
Yes, it does.
Yes, it does.
And if you wouldn't mind, just very briefly explain to the court Valley National Bancorp's relationship to Alliant Bank.
Alliant Bank was the predecessor to U.S. AmeriBank. Sometime in 2018, Valley National Bank and U.S. AmeriBank merged. So Valley is the successor by merger, successor in interest by merger to U.S. Ameribank.
Ameribank.
And when the banks merged, the records of balances of all outstanding commercial loans converted to the system of Valley National Bank. And that conversion would have been done via an electronic dump or an electronic conversion.
Great,
And
thank
just
you.
for clarification, I think I may have misstated the total balance too. I think I may have transcribed the number. So for clarification, I just would like to state that the total outstanding balance is $264,996.28.
Ms. Marisco, one
I-
final question, and I
Sure.
appreciate your time, and I'm sorry I neglected to ask this sooner, but these 4 notes, do they include provisions entitling the lender to collect its reasonable attorney's fees in the event of the borrower's default?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. I don't have anything else for you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, the court has previously entered an order as to Mr. Neighbors, defendant Barry Neighbors' liability in this case. We suggest that Ms. Marisco today has cited admissible evidence demonstrating that a total unpaid balance of $264,996.28 is owing under the 4 authenticated promissory notes, and that Mr. Neighbors is liable for that full amount under his duly executed loan guarantee agreement. We ask the court now to enter a judgment in that amount against Mr. Neighbors personally, and to add statutory attorney's fees under OCGA 13-111. And I'd be happy, Your Honor, to submit a proposed order to the court following this hearing. Excuse me?
How much are the attorney's fees?
$26,524.63.
Those are reasonably necessarily incurred.
They are, Your Honor.
All right, submit Ms. Romero an order and we'll be glad to sign it, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Y'all have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Louis,
you,
you can
everybody.
just, you can just email it to me?
Absolutely. I'll do it this afternoon. And Ms. Romero,
Okay.
thank you for all the accommodations.
Of course.
I'm sorry
No,
this is so
no.
difficult. Fine,
No, of
together.
course. Thank you, Ms. Marisco.
Thank you,
Thank you,
everyone.
everyone.
Have a nice
Bye.
afternoon.
Thank you, Ms. Marisco. I'll talk to you soon.
Take
Thank
care.
you.
Bye-bye.